Hi, it's Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a look at the Elgato Cold Shoe Multi-Mount Accessory. So I just picked this up, and we always can use another accessory for the cameras and so forth. So for example, here's the Elgato Cold Shoe Multi-Mount adapter, and it's really nice because it comes with a cold shoe. So if you have something that has a cold shoe on it, like the camera I'm using now, you can put that on there if you wanted to. The other side of the thing is a quarter inch screw, and you can use that to mount things to the top of that, and I'll show you that in a second. You can also flex it so it moves, all right? And this thing actually rotates. So this is the cold shoe adapter, and it rotates. So all sorts of movement you can make with this. But for example, if I have a tripod, let's say like this, and I want to be able to use it, but be able to kind of angle my camera, I can put this on here, all right? And it fits on like this. And it just screws down. And I just tighten it up. Alrighty. And then I can actually tighten this down here as well. So now I've got the mount here on the tripod. And like I said, I can move it. So I can put it at an angle, all right? I can turn it if I want to. So it's really kind of nice. And it also comes with the quarter screw on top with a little pin on here. So if you have a device that kind of wants to lock in, this pin, it pushes in, but it'll lock against the device. I don't have something like that, but it doesn't matter because I do have an adapter for my iPhone. So if I want to take, film, I can just put this on here. Alrighty. So now I've got that on there. And again, remember I can move it. And the nice thing is I can take my iPhone now and I can put it on the adapter. So if I'm trying to film something with a little tripod, I have the ability to maneuver, to make the angles whichever way I want, and it works great. And it's, by the way, it's really well built. You can't kind of tell from the filming, I don't think, but this is all metal. It's really nicely done. Thank you.